So the first thing most people say when they hear about my Drawing for Wellbeing course is, but I can't draw. So the name might be a little bit misleading, but just to clarify, this drawing course is not really a drawing course. You absolutely don't need any expertise or experience in drawing. In fact, if you've been told that you can't draw, this course might well be for you. It focuses on how your brain works, your thought patterns, your default responses, and we use drawing as a way of putting into practice what we're discussing and what we're experiencing. We're not really fussed about the outcome. What we really want is to shift the needle on your happiness gauge and to give you more moments of presence and peace, and to equip you with a tool that you can go to at any time just to find that calm for yourself. The course starts on January the 7th in Stapleford, just outside Cambridge, UK, and it's in person and online. If you're interested in learning more, then DM me or comment below and check out the full listing. Thank you.